Hello students, today I am going to teach you very easy simple way to color tree with your fingerprint. Okay, so for this fingerprint we need brown color, green color, light green color and yellow color. As you know that new leaves in the tree are in light green color, so for that we have to use light yellow color so that we can make the light green color with the help of yellow color. First we will make the trunk with the brown color. We will take brown color in our index finger. Look here, in our index finger I am taking brown color and we will draw trunk like that. One thing more you learn, that trunk has no shape. Nature drawing doesn't have any shape, so no need to make the straight line. It has to be little wavy line, curve line, like that. Okay students, this is the trunk. One more, and few branches also we can make with the brown color. Now I wash my finger and then now using dark green color. Look here, dark green color in the index finger, and we'll make the print of this index finger like. As I told you that old leaves are in dark color and new leaves are in light color. So new leaves are always upper side of the trees, so we will use light green color the top of the tree. Right. You take impression of your finger on the paper. Is it easy, children? Are you able to see me? Nature drawing doesn't have any shape, so it's not necessary it comes in a perfect shape. No necessary. Nature drawing is very easy. You can do in any shape. Now I am taking light green color. Look here. This is the light green color, taking in my index finger, and same impression I am keeping here on the paper. Light green color. And if you want to make more light green color, we mix yellow color in the green color, so we will get more light green color. Here you can make little grass like that also, so that tree will look very natural. And if you want to make land, you can draw with your finger like that. It's not necessary to use always brush for the coloring. You can use your hand also, finger also for coloring. Yeah, thank you.